In this video, I'll show you how to download WhatsApp Business on your computer or laptop. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. The first method is to open your internet browser. In the search box, type WhatsApp Business and press enter. Then open the official WhatsApp Business website. From here, you'll need to sign in using your mobile device. Open WhatsApp Business on your phone, tap Settings in the bottom right corner, then tap Link Devices and link a device. Now use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your computer. Once you've scanned the QR code, you'll be signed in to your WhatsApp Business account in your web browser. If this isn't working, the second method is to close your browser, open the Start menu, and search for Microsoft Store. In the search box at the top, type WhatsApp and press enter. Select WhatsApp, then click the blue Get button to install it on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Open, then sign in to your WhatsApp Business account by scanning the QR code with your phone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.